Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram login problem. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. If the internet is slow or not working, Telegram may not send the login code. Check your phone number carefully. Make sure you selected the country code and type number is correctly. Even one wrong digit can stop login. Wait for the verification code. Do not keep pressing resend code. Requesting too many codes too fast can cause Telegram to block login temporarily. Next, update the Telegram app. For that, go to the App Store. In the search bar, search for the Telegram and tap update if one is available. Older app version often cause login error. If the problem continues, close the Telegram app completely and reopen it. You can also restart your phone to fix small system issues. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.